I'm back again with yet another one on this beautiful day of the 16th of February 2022. Then I can't date. Guys, this one will be very short. I think I've covered this topic before, but I feel like, there are new people here, and this is something that I want to, assist a lot of people who are struggling with the question of being shown igqirha in your dreams. Ukuboniswa, your spiritual trainer, your mentor, in your dreams. I don't know how I can emphasize this. Not everyone is lucky or will be lucky, to be shown. And ithongo, ithongo is a dream when you are sleeping. Ithongo is a dream when you are visualizing things during the day, you understand, where you are half conscious, half sleeping. Uthonga ulele, uthonga uhleli, uthonga uhamba. Sometimes ithongo is just you taking a liking on a person. And ithongo lakho is actually directing you to that person. Whilst when you are waiting for the dream to come in a dream form, the message to come in a dream form, like as in sleeping, ithongo lakho ufumana into baselithethile, they have spoken, you understand, showing you the person you can go to. Sometimes it is not possible for your spiritual guides, for your ancestors to come with a direct message to you. You understand? Clarity is not always possible. I've made an example ngami. Most of my dreams, the time that ngangitwasa, it is just that I think my intuition has always been heightened, you understand, for me to be able to put the pieces together of the puzzle. But my dreams were always in hyperboles, you understand, until I get used to a dream with, okay, mabeza kanje, it means, you understand. For example, let me make an example. I know in a dream ukuthi when I'm in a relationship, ubhutiza aphathe bags, a bag in a dream. It's my ancestors saying, time up. This one must go. We understand. And not that I've dated a lot of people. No. The man I divorced, I had that dream. Same after that. I had that dream. Maybe two dreams. At least two men after my divorce. That doesn't mean I have dated a lot of people, please. But asikho lapho, ne? All I'm saying is, ithongo, I would not have known, we understand, it is time to leave this person. Or, my ancestry is not happy with this person. Or this is not going to work out, you understand? Let me make peace with the fact that, I'm not going anywhere. This relationship is not going anywhere. Rather be alone than hanging, you understand, there in a relationship that, like where spirit has spoken, look, asiyijayivelthina le Jesu kuyo. Once I have that dream, I know, you know what, shubile, and I'll be at peace, you understand. It's easy for me to just move on, you understand. But can you understand, a person, carrying a bag in a dream, you did not get a direct message that says, hey, tluhela mutu o, shia lo mntu, akutshuwongo. Hence I'm saying other dreams are in hyperboles, you understand. You may have been shown igqirha in your dreams, but when you are waiting for a direct message, you understand, you may be dreaming of someone, doing things, but no one is saying nali igqirha lakho. Uyayiva lento yobugqirha ifuna umuntu mani abe kubani ba streetwise, vula amehlo, guys. Don't just sit there and wait, and chill, wait. Yo, Usisi's sisters is 52 years old and is saying to me, kudala ezazi uNobizo, but she has been waiting to be shown. She has known since high school. I'm like, are you being serious? And you are waiting seriously. You understand? Because you may find that even then, when she was still immature, she may have been shown. Sometimes they don't come back to give you the same message they gave you 10 years ago. Other times you find ukuthi ninamatyala kakhulu kokwenu. You understand? Most of your ancestry is not appeased. They are not crossed over yet. How do you expect them to be able to communicate with you? Sometimes you find that you are even in a better position to make things happen than them. Because they are not appeased. The only person in this relationship between you and them that can make things better is you, who is still in the physical. When you are waiting for them, bona they are waiting for you to wake up and smell the coffee. Am I making sense? Let's engage, guys. Ne? I'm gonna be going live this evening. Maybe let's say 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'll be live on YouTube and hopefully on Instagram. I'll try and see if I can, set up 2 phones at the same time. I don't know if that works for you guys. Maybe the other video, because I could see what sometimes I'm facing that way, sometimes I don't know if that disturbs you, but I'm just trying, because now social media, I'm on different platforms and everyone wants, and it's not easy to sit down, make one video for the different platforms. So sometimes, people shall share. Anyways, I think enough said. Continue subscribing, commenting, sharing, and liking the videos. Obviously, you know what to do when it comes to the ads. Guys, the retreat, the momentum is like moving. Join us. This train is moving. Yeah, I'm still coming with the names of the people who have won an opportunity to be with Nonkwenkwezi on the 6th. Is it the 5th and 6th of March, free of charge? Thank you very much for tuning in. Ta-da!